We back, YouTube. Another video today. Got my helper with me. We got the template made. I made a template out of cardboard. You can probably see I got my knee prints all over it from this cutting and trimming. Trying to get it as close as possible. I done stuck it in the car. That's why it's all damaged and whatnot. But I'm gonna do my best to wrap this with my material I got. I just gotta get, it's not gonna be perfect. So what I'm trying to figure out is what I wanna do with some of these spots that when I had to force it in the car. But it fits pretty perfect. I try to trim this at an angle the best I could. Definitely ain't gonna be perfect, but it's going in the car. So right now, we are about to probably glue down the material on here. Clean it off, glue the material, get everything tucked. And then we're gonna get ready to try to get it in the car. I still gotta put the rest of the trim clip holders back on, which I think they're in a bag somewhere in here. That, like the little clips that hold the side trim on, is one here, one in the back. I got all of that. And then all the other trim I just took off and threw it on top of the car, on the trunk. So let me get this wrapped up with this material, glued and dried, and we're gonna get it all tucked, show y'all what that look like, and then we're gonna try to stuff this back in the car. So we'll cut y'all back on in a minute. So we got it all back together. It actually wasn't that hard. The hard part we're gonna struggle with now is getting it in the car and getting it up without trying to get it dirty and without like damaging the material, because fitting this through this door is kind of hard. I got the top curved as tight as I can. What I want to do though, first, as I go through it, is I'm gonna curve the front end right here where it's tight and fitted, and then we'll hook the back all the way back up, and we're gonna put the side connections on, get those mounted, and then we should be good to go. This is my console mount. I don't have one yet, so I'm gonna just leave it over here for now. My console mount these back up. So right now I'm gonna try to get y'all set up on a tripod, maybe, and try to fit this through the door. And once we get it fit through the door, y'all gotta be prepared. My wife is very directing in how to do stuff, so y'all gotta bear with me. We gonna get it in the car, and then we'll put the side plates back on. I put the clips on here to hold the side plate. So once we get it, I'm gonna just stab this back on there. And once it's back on, we should be good to go ahead and start trying to put the trim around it. The tripod's over there. It's over there, tripod's over there. So, time to get it set up and start trying to put it in there. And yeah, let's figure this out.
What time does whatchamacallit close? I don't know what it's called. The ramen place.
The what?
The ramen place.
So this is the back. So do we want to put the back screw first? We'll have to push past and turn it backwards. Okay, that'll work. This will
That means to go down.
You gotta be a lot easier. We're gonna be easy. You gotta try not to scratch it.
Okay.
We gotta like push and move certain sections.
I think if you can get that on top of the plastic, you can do a lot better. If it's staying like that. No.
Yeah. So keep it down. Yeah, I just don't want to scratch the material. So bending is fine. I don't scratch the material. Gotta go underneath the steering wheel. That's my only problem. So now we just gotta figure out the stance.
Pick that up and with it.
Alright, watch this corner. Hang on.
Right here.
Maybe.
It's gonna rip
It's fine. There you go. Push that back. I want to put this in first.
Put what in?
Okay.
Unless you pick it up and push it behind this light.
This side here.
No, I'll get it in the front.
Yeah, I want to stick this in here.
This is too long, right?
That's fine. It can come over this way. What we're gonna do is push it in like that. Once we get it in, then I'll be able to hit the side back up. That's what you mean with that. Yeah, hold that real fast.
Look at here.
Teamwork made the dream work.
Oh, it came out a little.
Yeah, that's okay. I've got a piece so big. And then we'll get closer. Straight forward. We'll get that other side. It's got clips in the front, so don't worry about moving too much. So that side's in there. I got them. That's fine. It ain't. It's like a little bit too wide, but I'm not sure. See, now the deal I'm gonna have to do is trying to get this like up. I think I'm too long on this corner. Huh? No, I can get it. The thing I'm trying to do is get this in like this. Right here. Now it's going up. And once I get it up, feed it over, I can pop this trim panel on. If that makes any sense. I just want to get the front up. You know what I'm saying? So once we push
Does it touch?
no, it just keeps coming out.
For 30?
This is a bad day.
Like,
It's a hot rod.
like that. See, like this. Get this all under this piece of tree.
I need to push it from the back?
Yeah. See if you can. You guys can push from the side.
No, I can't. I'm sorry. Like that?
I'll leave it like that.
Pushing it up.
Huh?
You're pushing it forward.
I know, so I want to go and get it go for it. And once we get it up, like so, just gotta hold that. So what I want to do once I get that up is I want to get it over and in so I can put this back down. So this will go fit right up here. Which we got a lot of space over there. Push it.
It's a clip right here.
Yeah, that clip's fine. That's what that trim is gonna look on.
Push it.
Well, I gotta get that trim. So I can snap that trim on or whatever, but what I wanna do is get this fully like. I may have to. I really don't want to, but I may have to. pieces in. But if I get the side, like the skirt, yeah, that's because I don't have no pressure. So once I skirt it, it'll be fine. It may have a little bit of hang, but hopefully it's not a lot. This is the back. Because it hooks a small trim right here. So let me try that side. I'm gonna see what that side does. And if we can get that side hooked. No. Yeah. So see, this side is in there. This side we gotta put this stuff around because actually looks really good. You know, this stuff and everything. This was last done by Tom's mother. No tile, but it's not basically this is zero, but it's all together. It's not rusty. Red on red. Everything stored. They just roll pots around here.
Not this one.
Yeah, that's fine. Good, I'll put the clip back here. Is a Plymouth wagon. 41. You know, they're kind of neat. These cars used to go either overseas or out in California. San Francisco. That's fine. There you go. See, what it does. This is not on this. The black is not on. I just want to get the back in there.
I could write my name in
Yeah.
Am I moving sides?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Or you slide and stay there. Look at this camera.
Are you coming in?
Yeah, I'm finna show what we got. So, y'all see, we got it in. The problem is this side's a little bit too long right here. So I'm struggling with trying to get it all organized in the top and then, like right here, because I gotta shove it forward. And once I get that in, then I can kind of pressure it up. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shove it and kind of just try to put an angle on this corner right here. But it looks good, I just gotta finish getting it in. It fits front to back. It's a little bit too big on this side, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get it to fit. So y'all stay with us and we're gonna continue working on trying to get this thing to fit, and we're gonna cut y'all back on once we get it all finished up and in the car. So after a long day, we've been at this for like 4 hours. We got it in there. It's not perfect, but we definitely got a headliner in it for now. It looks better than what it did. It has some spots in here that are kind of not right, but I don't really care. It's my car, like I said. Most people gonna complain they don't have one, so. But I'll show y'all some of the flaws we got. Like right here, the glue didn't set very well, so what I may do is put a pinhole in there, shoot some glue in there, and just kind of tack it, or I may just leave it. It's not really that big of a deal. This is just temporary anyway until we figure out what we want to do. I just wanted to put this in here. I built this for less than 65 bucks. The material is like 20 bucks on Amazon, and it's cardboard and corrugated plastic behind the cardboard. Y'all see it's got a full suede headliner in it. I'm gonna have to put a self-tapping screw in the corner of my rear window trims, based on the fact that it don't have a the clips, these plastic clips on these, even these broke and they don't remake them. So yeah, it's just one of those casualties of war, I guess. But yeah, the clips broke on the front, so those are not gonna be getting used. We did get all the clips back around here, but as tight as that headliner is, some of them don't fit very well, but they're back on there. Like I said, the only person that'll complain about it is somebody that don't have a car. So let me tilt this seat up so I can crawl back here really fast. So I'll probably spend the rest of tomorrow, probably not the rest of tomorrow, but some of tomorrow, putting the rest of these pieces back together What I want to do is try to get this all back in with my optics and stuff tonight. But y'all see it fits real tight all the way to the back, to the corner. Both sides, everything's up. And I think to really support the back of this, I'm gonna have to use, like I said, a self-tapping screw on these optics in the back. Not on, I mean on the plastic, not the optic. What do y'all think? Show y'all what it looks like outside. It's got a full suede headliner in it. Tomorrow we'll get some small chrome self-tappers and put them in a few spots and like not really noticeable areas. Just areas where everything will be hidden and tucked away where I know this thing ain't gonna give me issues and come down. So tell me what y'all think about it. I think I did a good job. You think I did a good job? Mm-hmm. We did a good job on this thing. Not I, we did. She helped me big time. Because packing this thing is crazy. And it's got a few, like right there. You see there's a spot there and a spot right there. A few small spots. Not too bad though. I think it looks a lot better than it did without a roof, so I'm proud of it. Tell me what y'all think in them comments, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We got us a headliner out of cardboard and corrugated plastic.
Spray glue.
And spray glue. Catch y'all in the next video, man. Thank y'all for watching.